Hello. On Rubik is pressure. These scripts are simple. 4x4 I shape the base. Please place the slide, place chair, place the comment. Many cases where 4x4 is right 3x3, but in some cases 3x3 cannot be used with 4x4. Other style, for example, OLL shape, cover yellow. It will be like I shape. You can also use following method. The following trick will be used. Change to the shape of a fish or cross or a tank. The formula will not be used. The formula is very long. I cannot remember. This script use only the finger trick. Finger trick F, R U, R prime U prime, A prime. First I. This picture is not parity, but I shape. How make to it font yellow. I see I shape. I use finger trick to roll place horizontally. Okay. See the yellow front or back? Front or back? Front to yellow, back for yellow. Which one is more? Bring it to the front and then use the trick. Okay. F R U R prime U prime A prime. F R U R prime U prime A prime. Get the fish. Get the fish. Fish right. Fish right. Turn it with the right fish formula. Okay. R U R prime U R U2 R prime for yellow. OLL. Can you use finger trick? Okay. I shape will increase I shape and I shape the third the second. Okay. I shape the second. Oh, three yellow. To draw place horizontally T and row the left and then use the tricks F R U prime U prime F prime okay F R U prime U prime F prime get across shape cross to general the front to general the back use which formula okay you the fish formula right R U R prime U R U2 R prime the fish okay R U R prime U R U2 R prime for zero Next, the third I shape. We increase I shape. Okay, I shape pro for general the same to row place horizontally use fingertip okay F R U R prime U prime F prime cross get the cross to yellow side okay U prime one zero is the right use which formula R U R prime U R U2 get V shape okay R U R prime U R U2 R prime for zero easy easy. Okay. After shape, another shape. Example L shape. Look like this. This is L shape. Like I shape, use fingertip to roll, place horizontally. See the general front or back. Front, back. 2 yellow, 3 yellow. Which one is more bring to the front? And then use the trick. F R U R prime U prime F prime. Okay. F R U R prime F prime. No. Okay. Got aside light tank to general the fonts. Use fish formula. R U R prime U R U2 R prime. Got fish, the fish left. Okay, use fish formula. Fish left L U prime L prime U prime L U prime 2 L prime. Okay, pool 0. Another shape, C shape. I create C shape. Okay. C shape no parity. 3, 4 yellow, 2 yellow. See the yellow front or back. Front, back. Which one is more? Bring it to the front. 4 yellow, the front, horizontally. Okay, use the trick. Use trick F R U R prime U prime F prime F R U R prime U prime F prime. Got the fish right use fish formula are you are prime you are you two are prime โอเคPlease press the slide press share press the comment for this clip is as much as this use finger trick for eye shape okay let's meet next clip thank you goodbye